Minsan hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga horror stories na naririnig natin sa mga ibang couples, ng mga graduate brides na about gate crashers. Isa sa mga pinakamalaking concern din yan, especially if you want privacy and security in your events. Now today, we are going to talk about how to make sure that you are enjoying the privacy and security that you deserve on your special day. Welcome to the De La Sorel Bride Venue Guide. I have here with me Miss Irene Giao, one of the sisters behind De La Sorel.
Hi everyone!
Ayan. So Miss Irene, alam mo sa totoo lang, ilang mga kwento na rin yung naririnig ko na loloka yung mga brides na, or yung mga couples na, bakit ang daming tao? In fact, I don't know if you heard about this news. Merong isang couple sa probinsya na they were expecting around 200 guests and they prepared for 200 guests. Pero nung pagtingin nila sa venue,
Ang dami.
1,000 na. Parang, okay, ano nangyari dito? Diba? And ayaw nating mangyari yun. Siyempre, ang gusto natin is only celebrate with the people we love. Okay? So, security, privacy is such a huge thing, especially when it comes to special events like this. Now, ito yung tanong ko sa inyo, Miss Irene. Natanong din ng mga maraming brides. How do you make sure na no one is gonna gate crash on your event? Like, how do you keep security in the venue during this moment?
Actually, the property is really secured. Katulad niyan, the property has 3 gates. Pero yun, lahat ng gates na yun, nakasara. Parang easy access lang kung let's say may suppliers or dito, meron entrance gate. Doon sa entrance gate natin, doon din yung exit gate. So, doon, meron naman tayong guard para to check kung sino-sino yung pumapasok sa loob ng property. So, that's, doon pa lang, secure ka na. Secure din yung mga guest nyo kasi once na lahat na nakapasok na, sasara na yung gate.
Oh, ganun pala yun.
Yes.
Talagang naka-ensure na kung wala ka sa guest list, hindi ka makaka-access.
Yes.
Tama, okay. Ang ganda nun, kasi hindi lahat ng mga venues is kaya mag-secure or magsabi ng, no, we are a gated community. Diba?
Yes.
Sometimes, may nakakalusot.
Yes.
Diba? And that also affects the mood and the flow of the whole event. Ayan. So, eto naman po, when it comes to privacy, ano po yung usual measures na ginagawa nyo, especially with the event coordinators? Meron po ba tayong like pinapasa na guest list? Or how do you ensure na sakto dun sa number of guests yung nag-a-attend?
Usually, ang coordinators, nakiki-communicate with the admin. So, kung sino-sino yung mga papasok, let's say kung sino-sino yung mga suppliers, at sino yung mga guests. Siyempre, hindi naman natin kilala kung sino-sino yung mga guests. But the number of guests na as they declared, as kung sino man yung nakalagay dun sa rental agreement na kung how many packs, nabibilang naman yan. And then as you enter, yun na nga, may parking, may very secure din yung mga sasakyan nyo. Minsan nangyayari na this place is parang lahat na nandito. The ceremony, the events venue, and including the accommodations. So lahat covered yan dito sa De La Sorel. In fact, kapag nag-venue ka dito and kasi sa all-in package, kasama yan no? Kapag nandito ka na sa loob, being a venue na one-day event kami, pag nag-event ka dito, ang pakiramdam mo para kang nasa isang hacienda na ikaw ang may-ari, na lahat ng natatanaw ng mata mo, lahat ng nakikita mo ay parang ikaw ang may-ari. At ang mga taong nandito sa loob ay na mga guest mo, kakilala mo din. So parang very private and very secure for the kung sino man yung mag-i-event.
nabanggit niyo po kanina, sabi niyo, we only do one-day events.
Yes.
Diba? And if we're being honest, malaki naman talaga yung area. You can actually do multiple events.
Yes.
So what made you decide to just focus on approving one event per day?
Kasi parang gusto din namin kung kami yun, gusto din namin maramdaman ng client na yun nga, parang ikaw yung may-ari ng lugar. So, kung one-day event ka, so kung anong time ka abutin, depende sa number of hours ng napagkasunduan, ang feeling mo, very private ka at kayo lang, walang ibang tao. Hindi ka nape-pressure ng, ay, may susunod na event. Diba? Dagdag stress pa yon. So, dito, mafe-feel mo na talagang araw ko to. Diba? Kaya special to para sa akin. And even your guests will feel that.
Iba din yung effect when it comes to yung premium feel na exclusive ka lang.
Yes.
And actually, isa yun sa mga important kasi syempre gusto mo bukod dun sa kayo-kayo lang, alam mo na kampante ka na walang mangyayaring kakaiba.
Yes.
Saka at the same time, kahit you have kids running around, you have yung naiiwan yung mga gamit nyo sa table,
Yes.
wala kang fear na, okay, wait lang, baka mamaya mawala to or baka may makapasok na iba. Diba?
Yes, oo. Katulad yan, kung ikaw ang nag-i-event, syempre yung mga guests mo, kilala mo. 'Di ba? So, kampante ka, may tiwala ka. Sa venue, syempre, yung mga staff dito, nandito na yan talaga. So, alam mo na ikaw lang ang iniintindi ng mga staff din namin.
Oo, kasi isipin mo ha, kung ang awkward nun na tipong, ma'am, wait lang po, kailangan nyo na po mag-ano kasi maglilinis pa kami for the next event, di ba?
Oo.
Awkward din niya. And, yung feeling na you are the most important person
Yes.
in the world, just even for a day, that speaks volumes, no?
Yes. Oo. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na nagse-celebrate ka ng, let's say, wedding mo o milestone ng buhay mo na nandito ka sa isang private na lugar. Tapos, ine-enjoy mo lahat ng guests mo. Siyempre, kakilala mo or special sa'yo. And they get to enjoy yung kung ano din yung nararamdaman mo.
Yes, especially if you're speaking with like yung mga principal sponsors, sometimes di mo may iwasan, may politiko kang makukuha
Oo.
or like a boss. So kailangan din naman they feel that they're safe, that they're
Yes, oo.
attended to, diba?
Oo. Yan. Maganda yan kasi pag, lalo nga pagka ganun, let's say may mga dignitaries kang
Yeah.
guests, ang kagandahan dito, very private. So, hindi na yun magwo-worry ka na baka may iba pang tao na makakapasok. Of course, yung security nila kasama nila.
Yeah.
So, okay na yun. Given pa yun na gano'n ang guest mo, mas lalo pa din nilang ma-enjoy yung privacy at security ng De La Sorel.
Yes. So, eto yan na. It's not about being like snobbish or what, diba?
Yes.
Kasi it's never about that. It's really more of providing a safe space for everyone where
Oh,
they can
yes.
feel like themselves, they can enjoy themselves without thinking about, okay, baka may makakita sa akin na ganito yung ginagawa ko, diba?
Oo, diba?
Malaking bagay po nun, diba?
Diba?
And yung mga events na to, ito lang yung mga small moments or yung mga bibihirang moments that they can let loose.
Yes.
Yes. And I really love that you are thinking about that.
Yes.
Diba? Yung security, yung safety ng mga tao nakapaligid. And from what I'm getting with your advice, kailangan talaga, bukod dun sa aesthetics, bukod dun sa time na sinispend nyo, you also need to make sure that everyone feels safe.
Yes.
And that's the most important.
Safe
during
and
event.
comfortable.
Yes, yun, yung comfortability.
Oo.
Okay, so ayun na nga. If you are a bride or a groom or a couple who's looking for a venue where you can be yourself, you can enjoy your time with your family and friends and your loved ones, how can they get in touch with you so that they can ask or they can inquire the requirements that they want for their celebrations.
Okay. Meron po kaming FB page. Pwede po kayong mag-inquire doon. Meron din kaming website. You could check on that. Give us a message. And we will be glad to answer all your inquiries.
So, that concludes another episode of the Les Sorel Bride Venue Guide. Now, if you still have a lot of questions, you can leave a comment below so that we can address them. And if you want to share this with your friends, your bride-to-be friends, or anyone who would like to know more about weddings and organizing events, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can get updated. So that's it. Thank you so much for your time, and see you on the next one. Bye!
Thank you, everyone, and see you again in the next episode. Bye!